Welcome. In this video, I will show you where the power button is located on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook Generation 2. So the power button is located in the top right corner of your device's keyboard. And it's basically just another key of your laptop, so it's pretty easy to miss this one. If you hold it for a couple of seconds, you will open the power menu in case your device is turned on, and if you short press it when your device is turned off, it will launch your laptop. And so that's basically it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.